Welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to turn off weekly screen time updates on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app. Now click on the profile. Click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy here. Now you can see here screen time. Click on it, screen time. After you can see weekly screen time updates, they are turn it on, you have to turn it off. In this way you will not be updated on your weekly screen time from your app in your inbox. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.